Anyways, we made it to Hawaii. We just got here like yesterday. It's been a day or two. A little hike, a little waterfall, I think. We're loaded up, suited up, booted up, booted up. Let's get it. You have no idea where we're going. He just said we're about to hit a little hike, hit a waterfall. We picked up the whole crew.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Headed to the spot. Picked it up.
Waterfall time, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it.
Just pulled up to the spot. What's it called?
Waimana Falls.
Waimana Falls, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're going into the jungle, baby.
Can you do the shoulders? Like...
Hey.
Hey, he's becoming a Brazilian, baby. Let's go.
All right, y'all. We're about apparently over halfway there. Starting to sweat. Icy water. Man, let's get it. Let's get it. We almost there. The boys made it.
And the rhythm that we make must pull up and rewind.
Made it. It's a little waterfall.
Little waterfall right there.
Pool.
Little pool.
There's a bigger pool.
There's a bigger pool. Yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh.
This is How Can Hope, basically. All right, man. Hey, it's steep up in here. You know what?
Go.
You know what this calls for?
Oh shit.
Sport mode.
Oh shit.
We're locked in, baby. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That's it. We're about back.
Yep. Mission complete.
Complete.
Yes, sir. Waimana Falls. We out.